hacks to talk to any girl. 1, always have a default opener. It's something that you memorize that can't give you an excuse, a way to back out of talking to that girl that you really want to talk to. Feel free to steal my default opener. It's, hey, you looked interesting and I wanted to meet you. The number 2 hack is start where her conversation is in her head. If she's on Tinder, my message could be, hey, I know you probably got 100 different messages saying, hey, how are you? How's it going? But I just wanted to let you know that coconut tree in your second picture looks like a dolphin. And this works especially if she's a really good-looking girl. The 3rd hack for you is, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. The energy behind the words, the frame, the tonality that really dictate whether openers work or not.
Number 1 topic to talk about with a woman. This is kind of an interesting topic, guys. You're with a woman, you don't know what to say, what to do, you don't know like the right thing to say. So I'm gonna give you one of the simplest topics to discuss with a woman that you already know. Now, emotions are the number 1 topic. I'll explain why in a moment, but first I wanna let you know I offer one-on-one coaching. If you want that, let me know in the comments down below or on Instagram, my Instagram, which is in my bio. Emotions are the way to talk to women and relate to women. Women care a tremendous amount about emotions, so asking about things like her childhood, her best memories, her life, just casual questions, or even saying a simple line such as, what's your life story? That stuff will go an extremely long way. And again, if you want coaching, let me know.
You talk to a girl you're interested in, make eye contact. You see a girl that you're interested in, make eye contact with her. The second thing, as soon as you make that eye contact, walk directly over to her with intent and purpose to talk to her. Say hi while looking at her and keeping the eye contact. It doesn't really matter what you say. Just say something while keeping eye contact and then make some kind of comment about something you notice about her. Don't try and think about this ahead of time. Let yourself in the moment naturally say something that you just noticed about her. How do you not be creepy? The very first thing, you need to be direct and bold. Creepy is being covert. That means you're disguising your actions. It's not genuine. If you're needy, it's going to come across as creepy. You want something, say it. You want to look at a girl, don't stare. Make direct eye contact and walk over and talk to her. And the last thing is don't overshare. So many guys end up being creepy because they overshare how they feel, how attractive this girl is. You're my long lost love. Let's get married and have children. Stop doing that. Just be calm and just be there in the conversation, but don't overshare how you're feeling at this time. That's going to help you to be able to talk to a girl that you're interested in.
Best ways to start a conversation with an attractive girl. Yo, let's just be real. Like, I've been dating for a long time now, and even to this day, talking to an attractive girl that I don't know is still super intimidating. But I'm gonna share some techniques with you that's gonna reduce the fear and make attracting pretty girls something that you naturally just do. All right, there she is. There's the girl I'm gonna approach. I wonder if I look good though. I wonder if she has a boyfriend. Is she gonna like? Dude, you already fucked it up. You're hesitating way too much. My man, what you gotta do next time is you gotta apply the 3-second rule. Here's how it works. You see the girl, you count 3, 2, 1, and you fucking go. You apply the 3-second rule, you're stopping your brain from making excuses and you're just building the habit of approaching when you see something that you want. It indicates confidence, authority, and that you're a man that goes for what you want without hesitation, which is gonna make her instantly attracted to you, bro. Now, what do you actually say when you approach her? Follow to find out.
Here's an easy way to start a conversation with any girl, and watch to the end because I'm gonna give you a tactic that you can use to prevent you from chickening out last minute. You're gonna ask her opinion on something based on the setting that you're in. So one of the most intimidating environments for a guy to go up to a girl is at a bar. So if you're at a bar, you're gonna go up to her and you're gonna say, hey, what's up? So my friend and I are having a debate over there about tequila shots. Do you think they're good or do you think they're like totally disgusting? Then whatever she says, disagree with her on. For a playful argument. It makes for a very easy and fun conversation. Now, to prevent yourself from chickening out, as soon as you see a girl that you want to go up to and start a conversation with, you're going to say to yourself, on 3, 1, 2, 3. The reason we chicken out and get all this anxiety is because we think too much. We overthink. What is she thinking? Is she going to like me? What if she doesn't? Blah, blah, blah. Don't drive yourself crazy. Count to 3. Go do it on 3. Stay strong. Stop simping.